milk teacup. How can it become beautiful and practical? Prepare the materials. Ready to start. Turn on our iCord Pro and let it start running. Take out the iCord we just made. Apply glue to the cup, then wrap the iCord around it. Go slowly, layer by layer. Add a few little details, then make it your own. Same cup, a whole new look. Or give it this look. Now it's your turn to try.